Today's topic is to find the longest consecutive letters into the digit substrings. We have the two ways to solve this kind of a problem. First is using the naive approach, and the second is using the regex module and the Python. Let's start from the first method. So here we have created a function. What this function is gonna do is it's going to check in each and every iteration the letter of our string, and it's gonna check that if the current letter is the longer than the substring which we have stored. If it is yes, then we are going to add it in our current string substring, and if not, then we are going to do nothing. And then we are having an if condition that if the length of our current substring is greater than our the longest length which we have declared first, then we are going to save it in the longest letter sequence, and then similarly with the digit. So let me show you. Here we have declared two variables, which is the LL describes the longest length sequence, and LD it describes the longest digit sequence. We have a, and then we have I, which tends to 0 at first, and we have used a while loop over here up till the length of our string. We are going to create a current length sequence and the current digit sequence. So what this is going to do is we are going to check that our letter if our letter in our string is longer or not, and if it is yes, then we are going to store it in our current length sequence over here, and then we are going to increment the value of an I, and same goes for our digit. And then after going through all that, we are going to check that if the length, both of them, we are going to compare that if the length of our current length is greater than our the longest length, then we are going to save that string in our longest length. Same goes for our digit sequence over here, and after that the function is gonna return the longest length and to the longest digit substring which we have placed. As you can see it over here, we have taken the string which is ABCD 1 2 3 EF and then 4 5. So the longest length substring over here is ABCD, and the longest digit substring over here is 123.